How to submit work and report hours. Submitting work and reporting hours correctly is crucial for ensuring timely payments. Follow these steps to report your work hours and request salary payments. Step 1. Log your work hours. Navigate to the attendance tracking section. Record your work sessions and save your hours. Ensure accuracy to match your employer's requirements. Step 2. Select date range for salary request. Choose the date range for which you are submitting work hours. Make sure all logged hours within this period are correct before proceeding. Step 3. Create a salary request. Click on Create Salary Request to initiate the payment process. Your billable work hours and bank account details will be auto-filled. Enter additional details, including salary request number, expected due date, any relevant notes. Step 4. Submit your invoice. Review all details carefully before submitting. Once submitted, your employer will be notified for payment processing. You will receive a notification when your employer processes the payment. By following these steps, you can efficiently report your work hours and ensure a smooth salary request process on VirtualStaff. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.